In 1955, a Colorado store printed a phone number where kids could call and ask to talk with Santa. Unfortunately, the number was wrong and was actually the unprinted number for the Continental Air Defense Command Operations Center. One of the officers on watch realized the mistake and knew more calls would be coming. The team played along with the mistake, starting a tradition for the organization that would eventually become NORAD that continues to this day. The North American Aerospace Defense Command, NORAD, is a binational organization between the United States and Canada which monitors and defends North American airspace 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. On December 24th, NORAD has one additional special mission, tracking Santa Claus as he makes his way across the globe, delivering presents to all good boys and girls. So how does NORAD keep track of good old St. Nick? I went straight to the source and spoke with Colonel Elizabeth Mathias, Director of Public Affairs for NORAD and U.S. Northern Command.
So there are three primary systems. The first is our North Warning Radar system. It actually spans across Alaska and northern Canada, and those radars are the first ones to pick up Santa when he departs the North Pole. The next system are our satellite-based sensors in orbit around the entire world, and they track Rudolph's red nose as Santa flies across countries and finally approaches North America, where our third important technology, our aircraft, intercept Santa to make sure that he flies safely over the continent.
Santa contends with all kinds of weather as he travels the globe. I wanted to learn if NORAD has ever had trouble tracking the jolly old elf.
NORAD hasn't seen weather impact him too much. He has pretty amazing technology on that sleigh. And the good news is, too, that most of NORAD's systems, our radars, our satellites, and our aircraft are pretty resilient when it comes to the weather.
What began as a simple air has delighted countless children across the planet for over half a century. You can go to our homepage, NBCMontana.com, to track Santa through Christmas Eve. Reporting in studio, Mitchell Coombs, NBC Montana.